Hello, everyone. Welcome to Jodoo. Meeting room reservation is a high-frequency scenario in personnel management, but it doesn't have to be a headache anymore. In this video, we'll show you how to build a smart meeting room reservation system using Automations Pro, data linkage, and workflow. With this system, meeting room reservation information will be automatically aggregated into a form. When submitting a reservation request, validation will be triggered. So if there is a conflict in the reservation time, the form cannot be submitted. Through this function, you can just say goodbye to scheduling conflicts, streamline communication, and boost office productivity, all while ensuring seamless coordination of meeting room usage. Let's make managing reservations effortless and hassle-free. Now, let's see how to do it. To start with, you should prepare 3 forms. Meeting room info, a regular form used to record basic information about meeting rooms. Meeting room reservation workflow, a workflow form used for booking and administrative approval of meeting rooms. And application record, an auxiliary regular form used for record synchronization and time validation, which is almost same as the meeting room reservation form. Then, configure the Automations Pro to help you synchronize reservation information. We select Meeting Room Reservation Workflow. Click Edit, Extension, Automations, add a new Automations, rename it, and set the form trigger as Meeting Room Reservation. OK. Then we select Add Record as the form trigger, and Workflow Flows to Next Node as the workflow trigger. After setting the trigger, continue to add an Update Record node to configure the triggered action. Here, we choose the Application Record form from the drop-down list. Next, set up conditions to ensure that only fields meeting the specified criteria are updated. Don't forget to double-check your conditions. Check this option, and then proceed to set the field values. For the Update Record section, it's straightforward. We only need to update the value of the review result field. For the Add Record section, map the fields from the meeting room reservation form to the application record form. This step ensures accurate data transfer between the two forms. Finally, when all configurations are complete, save and enable it. Now, let's move on to the setup of data linkage, through which reservation records can be instantly retrieved and used during form submission. Start by navigating to the design of current form. Here, we need to add 3 auxiliary fields for meeting time validation, start time validation, end time validation, and start and end time validation. Next, select Start Time Validation field and go to Field Properties, choose Data Linkage from the drop-down list, and then click Data Linkage Settings. We set Application Record as the linked form, then add conditions. If all the conditions are met, it indicates that the start time of your meeting conflicts with another reservation. Then the value of the Start Time Validation field will display the meeting theme of the conflicting reservation. OK. Similarly, we configure the End Time Validation field. Choose Application Record as the linked form, then add conditions and set field value. Then, set up the Start and End Time Validation field. Finished. Save it. Next, we configure submission conditions in the workflow. This ensures that your reservation request can only be submitted when there is no time conflict. First, let's preview the 5 conditions that we require. By setting these up, time validation will be triggered and the prompt will be displayed after a submission failure. This helps users understand why their request was rejected and make the necessary adjustments. You can take a screenshot in case you forget. Now, go to Workflow, click on the Start node, and navigate to Proceeding Rules. Here, we choose Data Meeting Conditions to be submitted. Add 5 conditions accordingly to validate the submission. We set the prompt for failed checks. Input the formula.
Okay.
Configure the next one with the same step. Then the third one. The fourth condition. The last one.
Okay.
Once everything is set up, just save it and let's test the system. Preset the meeting room info and some reservation requests, then we try to submit another one. Select the meeting room, and you can see its reservation records are displayed here. And if there is a time conflict, like the start time later than existed record, you'll see the prompt here. Then just adjust it accordingly and submit again. That's all about building a meeting room reservation system using Jodoo Automations Pro. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tutorials. And let us know in the comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.